Hey guys, so maybe you have a question. If your Samsung Galaxy S23 needs a screen protector, and I'm going to be really honest right now, only because I have mine Samsung and I got screen protector. Now it's really amazing, like of the scratches. So I got like scratches here or things like that. And what is really good is that my the screen protector is just like getting all the scratches, so I would highly recommend getting it. And even just people wrote here that they get a screen protector because it can help because of the scratches. It can help even like having like look here, I can like open it immediately. It's super simple. I don't have any issue. The screen is amazing, so the colors and everything is good. So yeah, just because of the micro scratches, I would just get it. And now I got it for years and years and years, and it's working just fine. This is like the S21, I think.